What is the advantages of downstroking CNC press brake over upstroking press brake?
Hmm. Basically, is a material handling. See, when the ram is coming down, in downstroking, the material and the die and everything is lying on the table. It's not moving. So it is easy to handle, particularly when the sheet is very heavy or very thick and all that. So that is the, prime advantage of that. If the upstroking, it's very difficult to handle because the table is coming up with the material. So you have to handle the sheet itself, it's heavy, and doing the gauging at the back gauge, that is also difficult. So that is the basic advantage of the downstroking.